The Steel Dome project, a collaboration between several Turkish defence companies that is expected to come online in the next few years. Now, these are just some of the 47 vehicles that are being handed over to the Turkish military as part of the Steel Dome project. The aim is to have a comprehensive missile defence system with long, medium and short-range capabilities. The Steel Dome provides a 4-layer defence, from early detection and tracking to interception and destruction. This system is designed to counter a variety of modern air threats, such as ballistic missiles, drones, fighter jets and long-range artillery. Once a threat is detected, the system instantly determines the most effective response and quickly transfers it to the relevant units. Previously, Turkiye tried to buy a missile defence system from the US, among others. Agreement could not be reached, and so they bought one from Russia instead. It caused controversy, particularly with Washington, but it also made Turkish officials determined to develop their own system, which is now coming to fruition.
These systems, which exceed NATO standards in terms of localization rate, integration power and operational agility, represent not only a technological but also a strategic stance. We will be using a system created by our own sons and daughters.
The Steel Dome is part of a general policy by Turkey to produce its own defence equipment. They now say they make 80% of their own products. That means they will be able to use their equipment how and when they want, without conditions being imposed by others. Andrew Hopkins, TRT World, Ankara.